Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my friend Victor Hernandez Chavez and the in-house 475 team at USPS. This is another great design for a first day of issue ceremony that they produced. If you want to see another great example, check out episode 426. They're doing some really creative things. This one I love. This was for a new stamp series called the Disney Villains series. And so this has a Disney look about it. It says "Be Our Guest" on the front. And when you open it, it has a dimensional scene going on. So I'm going to turn it sideways. I want you to see the profile. It's got 4 layers of paper, but it's just basically, it looks like, kind of 2 panels that open and then have this layered dimensional scene inside, which is really cool. And it's got the castles in the background, just awesome. So they sent me one to deconstruct for everybody because the die line is so clever. This piece is almost done entirely in one piece. So I'm going to take it apart for you. So there's a flap on the back right here that glues to the back cover. So if you peel that open, 2 panels open out to the right. Whoops, this one kind of popped up, but this one also has a flap that is glued here. So then this one opens out here. So 2 panels, 2 panels, 2 layered panels, 2 layered panels over that, tab on the back, tab here. There's also, this is the only extra piece, so that's why I said it's almost all in one piece. They had one little extra little 2-panel short piece to add some dimensionality right here. So that's glued on. But I want to focus on this. So then this opens up, and then these 2 backdrop panels that kind of show through the die cuts are folded down like this. Now the reason for this is because they printed everything on one side. So this is printed on a 12.C1S, 6 color, CMYK, a PMS spot color, and a satin varnish. So die, score, glue, assembled, line mark printing, did the production on this. So just brilliant from a kind of engineering and production standpoint, and what a wonderful, wonderful opening experience. And I think this idea lends itself to so many other different scenarios, so I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Amazing layered dimensional invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.